Okay, everybody, hey, this is Petra's Bunnies, and this is my, and she's a red, orange, black Harley, and it looks like she's an otter, but this is my Harley Masquerade, and she had a litter of 4, and her babies are doing really well. Let's see, and so she had 2 Harleys. This is her little black one, and this is one of her little Harleys. And then this is the other little Harley. They're getting so big. They're so pretty. And then the last one she had was a Castor. And he is very pretty. Actually, it's a she. So I had 3 females. The Castor and the 2 Harleys are does, and the little black one is a buck. And they're doing really, really well. So that's Masquerade's litter of 4. And I will be going on to Butterfly next. Have a good one.